Here's 10 simple, easy, and cheap curb appeal tricks that'll help you sell your house even faster. Counting down from number 10 to number 1. Number 10, hide all the eyesores, your trash cans, your hoses, and utility boxes. A simple screen, lattice, or plants, or even strategic positioning. Homeowners who have lived in a house for a long time, they forget about the visible clutter that actually screams, oh my gosh, this is neglect. Now remove it, and it instantly makes that property feel new and cared for, and buyers notice this. Number 9, update or replace the mailbox, or paint it or get a new one. It's simple, and it's often ignored, and it's functional, but if you got a rusty or an outdated mailbox, this is just dragging down the whole entire house. Freshen it up. It ties everything together, it's affordable, and it signals attention to detail. Number 8, apply fresh edging to beds and lawn borders. Crisp lines. You can take a shovel or cheap edging like this. Now, most people just mow it, but a sharp edging, it actually defines and makes the landscape look professional and intentional. And it doesn't take much effort or cost. Number 7, create a defined pathway. Stepping stones, bricks, gravel, edging, any of that stuff. Because overlooked paths, they look okay, but a clear, neat walkway, it guides buyers right into the house and makes a positive first impression when approaching that house. Number 6, update those exterior light fixtures, the porch wall sconces. And if they're not clean, wash them. This one's filthy. And if they're rusted, swap them out for cheap modern ones. Sellers focus on the entries when they view your property, and photos may tell a completely different story. Now remember, buyers drive through the neighborhoods at all times of day and all times of night, so they want to get a vibe. So good lighting also adds safety, it adds warmth, and a premium feel without any kind of additional expense. Number 5, install landscape lights and path lights. This upscale curb appeal, it highlights the features of your home, it improves the safety, and it makes a home stand out on other listings and drive-bys in your neighborhood. Number 4, add flowers, color, and greenery. Now, many people skip this, thinking they're just extra to add some flowers, but it does add softness, color, and charm that frame your house beautifully, and it draws eyes to your house. Number 3, stage your front porch. Now, if you've got a rug, cover an empty area that's ugly like this, you want to do that. But if you got a large porch, just make sure you got open space. You could add a bistro set. You could do this through a thrift store. But make sure you don't clutter. And I'm going to repeat, make sure you don't clutter your front porch. Only if you have a large open space, go ahead and stage it, because this turns that area into an outdoor room, and it does help buyers envision relaxing there, and it boosts their emotional connection. Number 2, trim and shape overgrown shrubs and trees, and remove the dead ones or prune them heavily. And if you have trees that are overgrown and close to your house, trim them away from the roof line. Homeowners get used to living in overgrowth, and they think it's natural. They don't see it. But the truth is, trimming makes your house look newer, larger, and it lets more light in, and it makes it look more well-maintained. Number 1, power wash everything. The driveway, the sidewalks, the porch, the siding, the steps, all of it. It may seem obvious, but a lot of people underestimate the power of clean. Is any of this helpful? If you subscribed, I'll see you in the next super helpful video. Take care, guys.